Hi everyone, very good morning. Today our topic is how to do the correlation in Apache JMeter. Okay, today I will show you that is my topic. Okay, topic name is how to do correlation in Apache JMeter tool. Okay, I have taken the one demo application. Okay, demo application, our by default common application for web tools. Okay, web tools application. Browser is Internet Explorer or IE. I have taken. Okay, and I will show you how we need to do the correlation. First of all, correlation. Correlation you will use to the regular expression extractor. Regular expression extractor is the one of the element. Okay. Second one, boundary extractor. Boundary extractor. How we need to use load runner, right? Same way only need to work. Third one, automatic correlation. How load runner you need to work, right? Same way also in JMeter also it's available. Automatic correlation. Okay. Now totally it's a 3. Okay. But this video I will mainly focus on regular expression extractor. Only this element only main focus. Okay. Another one, the first one. Okay, the first one in regular expression extractor. What are the elements you need to use? Means additional one. What you need to give? First, you need to give the expression name. Expression name. Okay, example I will give. Okay, user session. Okay, user session expression name and regular expression. Regular expression means the most of the time what is the HTML tag you find out. Example something less than href user session after value equal to something abcd 1 2 3 4 and double quotation greater than. But most of the people, how we need to do the correlation, right? Based on the scenario, situation, characters and digits and special characters based you need to do. But our general format, most of the people you need to do open and close the bracket, dot plus question mark you need to use. Okay, first of all, what is the dot? The meaning of a dot, how we need to work, right? Dot means match any one character. Okay, match any one character. Match any one character means the specific string, whatever value, the user session value equal to something abcd 1 2 3 4, right? That one you given to the regular expression. That regular expression match any one character. Minimum you can match any one, single one also you need to match. That is the way of work at dot. Match any one character. Second one, match means one or more time. One or more time means you need to try keep on until you need to get match. Okay, maybe it's not able to match anything, you will show the zero matching results. That is the way you need to work. sometimes the same values also it's a 2 3 also it's available. That time it's a list out to the all the values and it will capture that purpose. After question mark means it's one first match only it succeeded. You can see first match only success. Okay, first match only success means whenever you will find the value, the first match only will success, means it's matching, and it will show the output. That is the purpose you need to use dot plus question mark. And another one, the most of the people will using, one is dot plus question mark, and another one dot star question mark. Oh, sorry. Open dot star question mark. What is the meaning these two? First one, dot plus question mark means match any one character. You can match any one character or digit. Okay, first one, dot plus question mark, match any one character or digit. Okay, whenever you will match any one character digit, you will show the output, it's matching. But same way second one it's different. Okay, match all characters, match all characters or digits. Okay, first one, dot plus question mark is match any one character or digit, but the dot star question mark match all characters or digits. And one more important thing, just open and close. Why you need to use this one, right? Our general sentence enclosed portion of matching string. What is the meaning this one, right? This one, the opening closing brackets will showing and define to the exactly where to where you need to match. Okay, the specification purpose only you need to use. Okay, that is the way you need to work to the open and closing brackets. At the same time, sometimes some interviewers also will asking regular expression extractor, what are the regular expression extractors you are used and what is the meaning, everything. Okay, sometimes that people also you don't know, but you will ask that question. Okay, practically you need to use, but exactly means the people also you know, but sometimes it's not remember, right? You will ask the question, but you need to give in the clear output. Okay, this is the general step. Another one, the match in string format will be given, right? Someone will provide it to the $0, $1, $2. Some cases $1, same time $2 also will provide. What is the meaning, right? The first one there is no any value. Okay, otherwise there is no correlation, single point of view, there is no single correlation. Yeah, there is no correlation, otherwise there is no dynamic value. There is no dynamic value. Okay, that type of situation you can use the $0. There is no dynamic value. Okay, it's defined. Second one, single dynamic value. Okay, only single dynamic value correlated, right? That time you need to give the 1. Otherwise, there are example, two dynamic values. You given to the two dynamic values you correlated, that time you can give 2. This scenario when will be happen, right? This is also sometime will occur. Example, there is a one URL. That URL there are two dynamic values, but both are it's different. Both are it's different. That time one specific request only. There are two regular expression extractors you need to give in. That situation you need to provide at the $1 and $2. Okay, now we need to give more than one dynamic value. More than one dynamic value you need to correlate it, right? That time you need to use $1, $2. Okay, that is based on whenever you occur to the situation, right? That time you can use. Okay, but most of the time he did not get. Around 80% of the situations he did not get, but sometimes it's occur that one also. Okay, I never say it's not occur that one, based on the situation and application development range. Okay, that based only it will occur. Okay, this is our general information for correlation side. Only you need to remember, this is only for regular expression extractor element only, no other thing. Okay, after you will select the random value. Okay, random value most of the time you need to give 0. 0 means 0 or 1. 0 means randomly it's pick the data. 1 is unique. 1 is unique. After final one, the last element in regular expression extractor is available. I'm not remember that the name exactly, but most of the time what you will given, right? Not found. Not found means whenever what is your expected data it's not able to find, that time you will show to the not found. Okay, these are the general steps. It's available in regular expression extractor element. Okay, okay, now outside theoretically it's completed. Moving to practically you need to do to the in demo web tool application. Okay, okay, first one I will I will open to the Internet Explorer browser. Web tour URL is, yeah, this is the web tour URL. Okay, you already open to the web tour application. Okay, how you need to work, right? This is the URL http://localhost:1080 web tours, but it's showing cannot reach this page. What you need to do, right? First of all, I will go to the, this is E folder in my system, WebTour 1.0. This is the latest one only, Strawberry Pan 1 WebTour. You have available, right? Start the server. You need to start the server only, it's able to work. Okay, just you can start. Whenever you're starting, you can see starting the WebTour Apache server. Press Ctrl C, close the control window. Okay, whenever you open to the in server and you can go to refresh the page. Okay, it's work. Okay, what is the username and password? Most of the performance testers you know by default password is Jojo. J-O Bean password B-E-A-N. Just a minute. Some people don't know that password also, newly coming. web tour application username and password. By default username is Jojo, password is BEN. This is the password, username and password by default. Okay, otherwise you need a new passwords, you can just sign up and you create the new password, username and passwords your own self. But our just our correlation point of view, it's not required anything. Okay, I'm general only I'm using. Okay, now I need for JMeter tool. Okay, I will go to the Apache JMeter 5.4.1 bin folder and I need to open to the JMeter. Just you can wait 1 minute, it will open that one. Okay, now I will open. Okay, prepare the first general test plan. In test plan under you can go create the thread group. Under thread group you can go to the logic controller, create the transaction controller. I will copy that one, just paste it. First one, launch URL, login, click flight, find flight, find flight after click payments, last one log out, log off. Okay, now it's done. Log off, it's completed. Okay, okay, this is the performance testing demo application, web tour application, launch URL, login, click flight, find flight, click payment, log off. Okay, now we need to add the in listeners in view results tree. It's done, right? You need to add sorry, in test plan only it's available. In test plan you can go non-test element and HTTP test script recorder. You can record this one and you can complete it easily. Okay, by default I selected to the launch URL. First one, launch URL. You selected to the launch URL. Okay, the port I will give into the 8080. Select the do not group samples, right? I will select the put each group in a new transaction controller. Put each group in a new put each group in a new transaction controller. Okay, put each group in new transaction controller. First one, launch URL. Okay, okay, we will go to the application and settings. Okay, who are the people? First time you need to do the recording the script, anything, right? You can go to the content settings option, internet options, content, go to certificate, trusted root certificate. I am already installed, right, JMeter. You also go, you are not available, and go to click on import and click on next, click on browse, and Apache JMeter temporary root certificate select and click on open and click on OK. The certificate installation once completed, right, you also successfully able to install. Once installation done, after go to connections, it's a LAN settings, just you can remove this one, select the proxy. It's a local system, I am given to the local host. Original application also same way only, there is no any difference. Maybe something it's not recorded, that time contact to the admin team will provide it something address. It's a local host I will given our application side 8080, same port JMeter and application means browser configuration time, proxy configuration, same port only need to give. Okay, click on OK. Okay, now how you need to do, right? You can go to the JMeter, just click on start. Now I need to try to launch the page. Yeah, page is launched, right? You can see you did not recorded anything. You can try one more time. Page is refreshed, but launch URL I did not find any events recording. That time you can stop this one. Remaining any application, the once the process setup done and JMeter will start the recording. Okay, it's working as fine. Okay, but some situations, some applications for rare condition, okay, some specific servers also, it's required your local IP port only. Okay, I will go to the my search, type the CMD. Okay, open the command prompt, type the how to find out the your system IP address, right? Generally you need to any system name you require, you can type the host. Okay, example in command prompt, any path, C users HP, not only HP, any path you can type the host name. Just you can type the host name, automatically you can see my host name is my name only. Okay, I configured that one, Mettapalli Gauri Shankar. Okay, Mettapalli Gauri Shankar, this is my host name, I am already mentioned. Otherwise you need IP address, right? That time you can type the IP config. Whenever you type the in Windows computers IP config, in Mac computers IF config. Okay, most of the people you know that one. Okay, Mac computers IF config. Same people in P, instead of P you need to give F. IF config is a Mac computers, Windows computers IP config, right? You click on enter. Okay, you can see there is a IP address, IPv4 address. This is our IP address. Okay, the first one IPv4 address, you can see 192.168.137.1. just you can copy this one. Oh sorry, just one time, that is it. Okay, now go to the instead of local. Okay, instead of local host, just you can paste this one. Okay, just you can refresh one time. Yeah, you can see you already set up to the processor, right? That reason the process server is not responding, is showing, but the server is already running, right? Server is already running, no issue. Now how you need to do, right? Now you need to start the recording. Just click on start. You can see it's in test plan. I'm already mentioned launch URL. You can just launch the application. It's launching done. You can go. Just a minute. You can see some events are captured. Okay, launch is done. You can see one more also, it's done. Now what you need to do, just you can change the launch is done. Now it's moving to the login, right? You can type the username and password Jojo and given to the bean. Click on login. Yeah, login is completed. Events are already captured. Login. You can see click flight. Flight means this is the click flight. Yes, click flight is coming. Now we need to change it to find flight. Find flight means click on run and you need to click on run one more time. After you need to move to the click payments. Click payments. Click payments means you can just click on continue the payments one only. Last one, there is no any invoice this point of view. Click on log off. Log off means just directly you can click on sign off. Now it's completed the scenario. Okay, just stop the recording. After go to the, now what you need to write, you need to enable the processing. Enable means it's you need to disable that one. Just you need to disable automatic detect settings, you need to enable. Otherwise application it's not work. Okay, now it's completed, right? First step, you need to remove to the unnecessary URLs. Example, there is a unrelated files also sometimes it's captured, right? You need to check that one. Okay, now first one, it's a web tours. You can see it's a play.google.com. It's not our than this one. You need to remove. You can see it's totally Google. It's totally this component also it's not required. Okay, first one it's completed. After login, now you need to move to the click site, right? Okay, you can see guys. Okay, after I will explain web tool classes. Moving to the first is one reservation. Okay, click flight, sorry, click payments. Okay, final one. Okay, now everything in your application only based on transactions I have given. Okay, now what you need to do, our main goal is you need to do the correlation only, no other things. Okay, I will explain one by one. Just you can save the script. I will use the future also. I will give a name. Now script name you need to provide very shortly. I will given the web tools web tour script. I will given to the in E folder. I will say web tour script. Just you can save them. Okay, web tour script. Okay. Okay. Now it's completed, right? Just you saving also it's done. You can go to the first of all in view results tree. Just you can run one time. Single user only. But you can see first one it's a 404. You can see it's a favicon.ico. Something it's different this one. It's a 9th request. You need to remember 192.168.137.1, but favicon.co it's not our related request. WebTour our related request, but favicon it's a different request. Okay, and the same time there is no anything, right? That reason you can directly remove. This is unwanted. You need to remove everything and you need to run one more time. Yeah, you can see. Now I will tell you. Okay, now you have failed this one, WebTour classes. Yeah, this is our application only 192.160.131 web tours. Okay, it's a web tour classes. Classes means it's the code level, but I'm not sure it's a permission anything issue. Yeah, you can see you do not have permission to access web tour classes. Okay, second one also you can say you do not have permission to access web tour classes. First of all, you need to remember one important point. This is forbidden error and the same time it's a permission related. Okay, and performance testing point of view it's not required any. Most of the time applications you will provide the permissions everything, but some example it's a banking type of applications. Okay, financial related some applications it's a limited type of access only will provided in performance testing also. It's not provide very higher level, very any smooth applications. Example AWS, that type of deployed applications, right? It's very sensitive. Okay, that time you need to get the type of errors, the permission access. This is on the same time web tool classes code level, right? You did not provide the access. On the same time there is no any dynamic values. There is not related to the our business flow this one. Okay, directly you can remove, otherwise disable. Okay, just a minute. 26 and 27. Okay, this is not related to our business flow. And the same time our dynamic values are remaining stuff, it's not required, it's a different one. That reason only will get this type of error. Just you can disable. Okay, now you need to run one more time. Yeah, you can see now. Okay, now you did not find any errors, but now you need to do the correlation, right? It's very simple. Just you can keep on check on that one. This is my first request, second one, third one, fourth one, fifth, sixth, seventh. Yeah, this is the user session, right? This is one dynamic value. After second one, whenever you see that time easily you need to identify it, otherwise it's a keep on changing also, right? It's a outbound flight also, it's a one of the dynamic value, including this or date also. You can see there are two places available outbound flight. Okay, now how you need to find out, right? You can go to the first one where you find it's a 29, request is 29. What you need to do, first of all you can copy this one, copy, go to view results tree, yeah, you can paste them and click on search. You can see 28 and 29 you will get the response. 28 just you will do one thing, 28 and 29, right? Most of the time 29 also you will get it. Okay, means that the request is fine, 29 there. Above and below will be provided the request and response. That reason you can take where you will get the dynamic value, you can show 29 I will take it. Okay, just you can select the regular expression tester. You can give the directly dynamic value and test it. You able to match anything? Yeah, you match one. You matched one means it's available. That is the meaning. Yeah, you can see it's available, right? You can see this one. This is the input type hidden outbound flight. You can copy this one. You copy it and you can paste that one. Most of the time you need to give it's a zeros and ones only, right? And that reason I will given to the dot plus question mark close. Okay, I will give it. Now you will get the value is 29. Remember 29. That reason you can go to the 29. Under what you need to do, right? You can go to the add post processor. You can select the regular expression extractor. Okay. Now you need to go to the view results tree. You need to copy that one. Go to regular expression extractor and you can give it. And the name you need to provide it outbound flight only. No other thing. It's not required. You can give. And it's a single value only you captured, right? That reason you provided the $1. Match, I will provide the 0 is the random. Default value, whenever you did not find this one, what is needed to throw the error, right? Not found. Remember, not found I will mention. Okay, now I need to do the correlation, right? You can take this outbound flight value, you can go to the 29, it's outbound flight, right? And you need to remove, you need to provide the $2 open outbound flight and you need to close. Another one is available another place also. There is a 30 reservation place also available outbound flight. Now you need to remove this place also. Okay, just you can mention dollar, open the flower bracket, close outbound flight. Okay. Now you need to done the correlation first one. Okay, first one correlation completed. First value. Okay. Okay, just you need to run one time. Yeah, it's working, right? There is no any fail, everything is working fine. Now you need to go to the first one. Yeah, you can see the first value is a user session. Okay, the first value is a user session. You can see this is the dynamic value. You can easily find out what is the dynamic value name. You can practice the 2-3 demo sites, right? You can easily identify it. First you can copy this one and go to the your view results tree, remove this one, and you can you can type it. Yeah, you can find this login page only. It's showing. Yes, same. You can see 13th. You will find the value is dynamic value 13. Okay, 13 only you find out. Same request 13 only will showing the output. But yeah, in input request it's available user session. Input request it's available user session. But coming to response, you can see you did not find anything. Otherwise, you can take into the regular expression extractor also and given to them and test it. The match count is 0, means it's not available any that type of value. Okay, this is also one type of method only, means request it's available the dynamic value. User session dynamic value available. But whenever server you need to give the response, right? You can see, you can see the what he will return on the share the data. First of all, you can see block quite. You reached this page incorrectly, probably a bad user session value, means dynamic value name is user session. User session means it's a Java based application. Okay, Java technology you need to use it to develop this application. It's a user session, means what will be happen, right? The HTML tags will clearly mention block. Block means sometime what will happen, right? He will provide any banking or financial applications, he will provide the limited access only. That type of situations there is some blockings, means now what is the dynamic value you will find out in 13th request. Same 13th request you got the response also. You can see the proof is, this is the proof, user session and dynamic value it's available. But coming to the response, you will showing block out, block quite, right? You reached this page is incorrectly, probably bad user session value, means this is not a issue. This is the issue, means server end, means you not able to told directly in server end application. Our Java technology or Java is blocked. Okay, sometime you need to ask to the admin team, he will resolve that issue, and you need to record one more time and you will get the daily dynamic values everything clearly. But now it's blocked, right? It's a Java only, it's blocked. Some situations it's not enabled, a must and should you need to proceed that way only. Some security SLAs, something etc. Okay, that time it's never enabled, right? That time what you need to do, right? There is another method. First of all, you will find the exactly where is the request and where you get the response also. First point it's completed. Okay, how you need to enable your own type. Otherwise, admin team also how we need to enable, right? I will tell you that one. Admin team, you can go to the your search bar, go to the control panel. You can open the, sorry, it's open. Yeah, you will able to see the Java, right? Sometimes some icons issue you are not able to see. What you will do, right? You can take the large icon to small icon, you can select. Whenever you select small icon, you will showing the Java. Just click on Java. Yeah, it's open, right? You can go to the security. There is a very high security. Okay, that time what you need to do, means it's your own system, your own system you can select the high. Okay, and admin team also doing same only, there is nothing else. High exception site list. What are the sites? It's directly will block to the Java. Java will be blocked, right? Some security reasons. The same way only exception site list. Which sites you need to accept it? I will give an already. Just click on edit site list and add them and give it to the site URL. The specific sites it's exception, and you able to without any blocking. Java is never block anything. That time you need to work, no issue. First one. Okay, Otherwise some McAfee softwares also will be blocked. You need to remember this one. That time you need to raise the separate snow request. Okay, service now request available, right? Based on your project, which type of ticket tools you used, you need to raise a request to the McAfee software team. Okay, and you need to clearly mention there is a specific blocking to the our application recording. There is an issue, please. You need to mention to the exception list into the in your software. Software means McAfee software, you need to mention. Okay, whenever you mention that point, right, the people will be exception to the our sites. The specific site you never blocked anything. Okay, not only McAfee software, Windows security softwares, what are the antivirus softwares, whenever you recording time, it will be disabled. This is the first method. Currently I'm using my Java version is just a minute. Our Java is Java space hyphen version. You can type the Java version, right? It's a 1.8 I'm using. Maybe you are still 1.8, you doing all this stuff, but still you are facing the issue. What you need to do, right? It's a very simple steps, guys. Just directly you can uninstall to the Java 1.8 and go to the Oracle website and download to the Java old version 1.7 and install them. And you need to open same format. You need to open the Java control panel and select Java. That time there is another option called very high medium. You need to select the medium option, and the same way exception site list you need to give into the, your application URL. That time it's never block anything, and you need to you able to proceed without any issues. Okay, just knowledge purpose I will give in these details. Okay, after you need to record, right, without any blocking you are able to capture everything. Okay, just I will show you issue purpose only. The dynamic value also not available, right? I will clearly explain this one, first one. And some situations there is not available any way you need to proceed. Okay, that time, right, what you need to do, first one, you get the response is 13th request, expand it, and dynamic value also available this place only. You can just add, go to post processor, regular expression extractor, you add it. Okay, now what you need to do, right, you need to remember this is the login page. Go to manually in login page. This is only login page. Just right click. One second, one more time. Okay, inspect elements, you need to go. Just a minute, slowly it's moving. Okay, now yeah, it's loading, right, everything. Now you need to go to click onto the network performance team. Only two elements only mostly you need to use. Now not only two, three elements. One is console, one is network performance, memory, and debugger only. Just a minute, you need to check very slowly this one. Where is the body? Yeah, you're not able to find anything. Yeah, you can see it's a very important point, this place. Whenever you click this one, right, home, in login page home, you can see what output you able to get. You can see this is the our dynamic value. Just a minute, I need to try to copy this one. Okay, directly you can copy that one. Okay, copyright. You can go to the JMeter. go to view results tree. Same only, you can select the regular expression extractor and you need to check it, but you do not have dynamic value, remember. But without any blocking, right, you did not get any block, that time you 100% it's available. But still in request it's available to the user session dynamic value, but response server side it's not available. Server is given, remember, server is given, the hint is you can see user session, server is given, but our Java application is blocked, that reason. But you need to provide this one, otherwise it's not able to application, it's not provided the flow, it's not moving one page to other web page. Okay, or what you need to do, right, same our general process only I need to use. Okay, I will go to the open dot plus question mark I will given. Okay, you can test also, it's 0 results only, but you can copy this one text only, you can go to regular expression extractor, given to this place, and our name is user session, this one single dynamic value only, this also $1 I will given to the random and not found I will provide it. Okay, now you need to take this user session, yeah, this is the value only, that one also, there is no more doubt about that one. Okay, this type of issues also you facing this, your real-time application is facing time, but you need to do that one. And you need to learn in JMeter some advanced level Groovy scripting. Most of the companies and projects also, most of the people will asking, and interview time, not only interview, for application project point of view, Groovy scripting it's most preferable. This is also one of the Java lightweight technology. Okay, please, you need to learn who are means who are the people you need to most interested, right, you need to learn that one, that is enough. My next sessions I will provide that Groovy scripting also, how we need to do, and it's a very simple only, not that much of complicated, but you need to have some little bit knowledge about JavaScript, how we need to use. Okay, I will provide next videos, my next videos I will provide that one. First one, yeah, first of all, the correlation point of view it's completed. Okay, there is no nothing else. Okay, okay, I will add some, one second, I will add it to the response session. I will select to the response code only. Okay, contain means you can match 200, that is enough. 200, and another one I will add this place. Same response code contain, and you need to add the 200. Okay, now our end correlation is fully completed based on transactions wise. Okay, now I need to try to execute, and I will see the able to working fine or not. Clear it. Okay, proceed. Yeah, now there is no any failure. Okay, now there is no any failure, you can see. First of all, guys, exactly you need to find out which request is your application or not. What are the requests you captured, right, that everything is your application or not, you need to find out. Remaining one you need to remove, and you need to do. Okay, any application first script only tough, means you are new, 2-3 times you can try and you can complete first script, right, remaining everything it's very dead easy only, it's not that much of complicated. That is rare condition or rare situation also. Okay, now everything is moving, right, you can see response body, it's a web tools, right, and same first one only, it's a launch URL this place, but before only you will add it, capture something. Web tools, PHP web tools only. Web tools before application everything. Web tool navigation bar. Okay, it's not available. It's a launch URL. Now web tools, web tool navigation bar, web tools only. It's nothing available. Response body. After login, web tools, web tool navigation bar. You can see it's moving to the next page. Flight selection. Okay. Okay, flight to selection. Another one. Moving to flight to reservation. Reservation made. After final, it's logout, right? Before logout, you will come to the logout also. Okay, it's a logout. Web tool navigation bar. It's a payment only. Web tools, web tool navigation bar. You can see it's done. Okay, everything starting to ending. All the flows are completed. Okay. Yeah, that's all, guys. This video. Maybe people will be understand what type of issues you will face. This is very small script only. In same, you need to run any load test or anything. Multiple scripts you need to add and you need to run into the test based on the how much percentage will provided to the teams. Okay, how we need to run the load test, that details will provided to the your team lead offshore or on-site will provided. Sometimes you do not have anybody, only performance architects, that type of people only directly will share the mail you need to run. Otherwise, some situations the people you don't know anything about your project or your team, you are only one person, client only it's available. Client you don't know about anything, you need to explain everything. Okay, you need to collect the data everything to client end, and you need to show them this is the way I need to proceed, you are okay or not. Okay, client will provide any instructions. Okay, based on instructions you need to proceed. Okay, and one more request for everybody, just my experience based only I am providing this. I mean, so whatever knowledge I have I will share it to you. Anything I will say wrong or anything you have anything about knowledge, just please mention to the comment. I will my next video I will update and I will provide the details also. Yeah, that's all, guys. This video I will connect to my next video. Most of the people it's understand how you need to do. It's a very simple only, that not it's not complicated, but when you write to the in scripting, right, that is very important. I will show you that one my next videos. Okay. Yeah, that's all, guys. Our topic is completed. How to do correlation in Apache JMeter tool. Okay. Thanks very much. I will connect to my next video. Bye.